Good morning. Ha. Microphone sounds better. Maybe a little quiet, probably, as usual. New microphone, new camera. Check this out. Can your camera do that? So yes, upgraded everything, and we're back to it. All right. Oh. 1 second, guys. Forgot my disclaimer. And I also removed everything off of my chart, my indicators and everything, on accident. Let me know if the audio is good. That's the most important thing that I'm not sure of. Let's go back trading view. All right, audio's good. Perfect. All right, so obviously a pump right out of the gate here. Check VWAP. Looks like we had a little bit of a spike down towards VWAP, projected, bounced off VWAP. Now we're coming back up towards a second band, and overnight for the most part, we stayed above VWAP. So maybe we'll get a green bounce day today. Bitcoin is up a bit, oil's up, gold is down. Money is rotating out of gold. Oil's kind of stuck at this bullish order zone. And Bitcoin's just Bitcoin. Bitcoin's useless. All right. So potentially looking to get long then on the Nasdaq. See if we can get a bullish order zone to form. And then look for a long back up if we can get a pullback. Claude just wrote me its report for the day. Do you guys have any interest in reading the report? I mean, I don't know. I usually read it on the side, on my other monitor. Here, let's see if I can put this on the side over here. It's a little bit hard to read, but so another story of Iran and U.S. reaching a peace deal for the 5,000th time. Two big corporate stories are stealing the tape. Comcast is breaking itself in two. Interesting. There's no bull. This is just an order block right now. On 30-second charts. Sorry, I forgot. I took off the ticker symbol. All right, U.S. indices, neutral, constructive tilt. Almost got into that order block. What? We have a short week this week because of the 4th of July, really? Isn't that on Saturday? Leverage in crypto has been flushed. Okay, that's good. Well, we have some liquidity now here. So if we get a retest, maybe I can buy that. For now, I'm still just waiting for it to give a setup. Let's see Comcast. Ooh, wow. Opened and pretty much tanked. What's Wendy's doing? Wendy's is falling. So SpaceX joins the Nasdaq on July 7th. Interesting. So SpaceX must be up today of people trying to front run that. Yes, it is. The great American rug pull. Forcing people to buy QQQ or SpaceX through the QQQs. Dang it. Messed with my camera. Sorry, guys. Trying to make it look the same. Okay. All right, so pretty much just straight up, straight down, straight back up. Simple uptrend. Did you guys watch my latest video? Anybody like that video? think my next video will be the Market Wizards video. Just had to make another order zone video. It's really my favorite thing to talk about, but might be getting old. For those of you that understand order zones, are those videos getting old? You can be honest. All right, we're at the upper bands. Back to the upper bands. Just gotta wait. Yesterday's video was great. Repetition is the ultimate satisfaction. Okay. All right. Then I'll keep going. My mom just tried calling me. All right, bounced at the upper band. Back into a little bit of an order block. But still no setup. Pretty boring stuff so far. $650 looks like a new order block. 650, yeah. Yeah. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback. Little bit of a pullback. Keep forgetting this microphone is not as sensitive as my other one, so I really got to keep it. Accidentally muted it, sorry. Okay, so we are actually getting a move back down. Do you have a low there? It's a little bit high up. Order zone indicator says this is an order zone right in here. And it's holding as one right now, but not that as clean as I would like. Well, guess that was the spot. Man, the indicator is like almost like a whole nother strategy, because the order zones that it gets a lot of the order zones that I would, but sometimes it marks zones that I wouldn't really consider order zones, and then they end up holding. It's like, maybe there's something to that. Maybe the indicator knows better. Maybe I accidentally created a new type of order zone. I don't know. I mean, that held pretty nice as soon as it came in there. Right back up to those bands. Just gotta wait for a setup again. Patience is key. That's one of the lessons, probably in the new video I'm going to make about the market wizards. They're highly selective of their trades. Don't just be pressing buttons. But that is not good for YouTube content, I'll tell you that. Trading live streams, the people love as many trades as possible. Smash those buttons. Like, literally, when I'm taking more trades, I don't know how, but the YouTube algorithm knows it. 'Cause every time I'm in a trade or I'm taking trades, more people start showing up. I don't know how the algo or like how that works, but because technically it's the same stream, I'm just doing a small little different thing. So in theory, if I just sat here and kept taking trade after trade after trade after trade, I could get 1 billion views. 1 billion people in here. Right back to the bands. Rejecting again. Yo, thank you for that. Yes, I have to, that is kind of the point of that video. It's just a video that I want to make that's fun and interesting, even though it's not the most viral worthy content. I want to talk about it. It's interesting to me, so I figure it must be interesting to someone else. And I haven't seen any video like it yet. The moment you are going to shout and smacking your laptop, I am out of here. Yes. Okay, rejecting again. Here comes the yawning. Yeah, I'm like the opposite of that. I'm literally falling asleep on stream. Every stream. I need a Monster energy drink. What I really need to do is get back into the gym in the mornings. That's the best way to wake up, but it's hard. Nobody wants to get out of bed and go straight to the gym. All right, right back down in. I'm going to hide this zone because it's already been tested. And let's see here. All right, we're in. We're in the zone. Again, I'm still waiting for confirmation. Might want to wait until it gets below this low here. Strong candle close there, so that's not really confirmation. What is ATR? 36. All right, we're into a free fall. Okay, wow, holy crap. Right towards VWAP, now into another zone. This thing is terrifying to buy. Might give it one more candle to try to prove itself. There's that VWAP. All right, I'm long risking off the lows and stopped out. Yeah, this is kind of trying to buy a falling knife right now. Quite the move down. But it was worth a shot. If it held VWAP, it could have came all the way back up. And now we know that the trend is pretty much shifted. You know, in hindsight, that was actually not a valid trade because broke this low and this low. So technically I was buying it as it's shifting into a downtrend. Kind of didn't see that, but whatever. What concept do you use, SMC or ICT? I use SMP, Simple Trader. Me, my concepts. SIMPLE. Well, now I got to sit here and wait for a short, which I don't see anything too clear right now. There's no order blocks other than up here. Maybe that's pretty far up there. If we get all the way back up there, trend might be changing. This thing is free falling. Free falling. I swear, I could probably get away with just trading discretionary momentum. Like literally just looking at how price is moving. Like if you watch price, not on TradingView, because TradingView doesn't give you the same kind of detail, but like on Tradeovate, where you can see every tick, like it's pretty easy to tell. Well, okay, not easy. It's never easy, but like you can kind of tell when price is starting to gain momentum, like when you can hop on the bandwagon, if you will. Because when price is just kind of moving randomly, it moves a little bit slower. And then when price is getting momentum, it starts flickering like crazy. You just see tons of trades coming in. And it just starts moving different. I don't know how to describe it. Like this free fall right here, you know, the reason why I was so scared of it is because I saw that it was like flickering super fast. The trades were coming in so fast. There's tons of momentum. And that's why I was like, oh God, this thing is scary to buy. But I might have to try that one stream. Maybe I'll switch accounts. Maybe I'll get, yeah, that's what I'm going to do actually. I'm going to get an account that's just for momentum trading. And I mean, I technically could already use one. Let me see here. I could use one. Maybe I will. We'll see. Right now, we're basically chopping at VWAP. There's no momentum. There's no nothing. No nothing. Just chopping at VWAP. So we're just kind of going sideways just below VWAP. We might start seeing a continuation down. Let's see. Maybe I'll try my momentum account for that. I'm sure that won't go too well because it's whenever I try something new, it never is great right out of the gate. poet didn't know it. I accidentally bought and immediately got stopped out, but then I reshorted it. See, like I can catch these moves. It's probably going to take me out for break even, but at least, I saw that little wick worth of profit. Like it's not that hard to tell when the price is going to gain some momentum. But this might just be a momentum market, Might be the regime. Because there's times where the Nasdaq chops you to death no matter what you do. Just chop you to death. I can't believe I accidentally bought. I'm stupid. I did take a short 3 seconds before you. Are you trading like a momentum strategy? Yeah, maybe I develop a new strategy right on this stream. Just straight up. God, it would be such a stupid strategy though. But sometimes the stupid things is what works. Catnip, you're short too. Okay. And this is just a very slow grind. No order zones yet. Ooh, Michael Saylor selling Bitcoin? Really? Man, this is such a boring grind lower. I'm short. Oh my God. Where are we going to? Take it down to 400? 400? Come on, don't bounce here. I got a feeling it's going to bounce. God dang it. Come on. Maybe I'll just trail right there. All right. Okay, little test trade there, little test trade. Not great exit, but getting my reps in. Just a slow grind. I guess I could have held to 400. Even on the practice strategy, selling too early, taking profits too early. All right, well, now we're all the way back down to the second band. Bitcoin is down. Gold is down. Oil is unchanged. Dow Jones down. ES down. Excuse me. All right, so obviously momentum is to the downside. Let's see if we can get a normal order zone trade. God dang. Still going lower? What's going on here? Got some news. Right back down. Goodness gracious. Should I short it? Oh my God. That would be stupid. Just waiting for a setup. Watch it put in a V bottom versus all the way back to VWAP. ATR is actually increasing as the day goes on. 45 points per candle now on a 30-second chart. So on the 1-minute chart, it's going to be 56. 56 points per candle. It's already overextended. It's 2 standard deviations away. trying to bounce. They're trying to pump it. Don't you know? Pump it up. Gotta pump it up. Got along there. I've just been, again, just stupid, silly practice trades. Seeing if I can gauge momentum just discretionarily. Let's see if we can get up to this. This is like an order zone right up here. Let's see if I can just take some profit up there. All right, boom. Now let's actually trade an order zone. See if we can get one going. 30-second chart. Got liquidity. Rejecting right now. Dang, this thing's moving. God dang it. And there it goes. I was not able to get a short off that. God, moved so quickly. Literally top ticked the zone. At least I got my profit out of that one trade. The zones work, man. It's just a matter of whether you can get in them. Get in on the ones that work. Oh my God. Right back up. Relay. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking, by the way. Right back up. Interesting. Did not expect that. Is it going to hold? Not really showing any signs of holding. Might have to move on to the next. Got this up here. Trying a short here. See if we can get a push down. Risk off the highs. Come on, come on, come on. It's failing. It's failing. Should just close this out for break even probably, but I mean, and my stop loss is so small. Whatever, it's worth the risk. All right, let's see. Maybe it has to go to the midline up to 500 first. Oh, there it goes. And if it blows through there, then might have to start looking for longs. It's holding the midline. Oh, never mind. Okay. So buyers are here. Buyers are back all of a sudden. Although technically this 1 minute chart is still in a downtrend. Probably should be trading 1 minute chart, not 30-second chart right now. It's 10:30. God, I just don't want to keep trading zones that are getting blown out. God, let's see if this zone holds up. Can we get some sort of sign of rejection, reversal, anything? No, we are just screaming higher. Right to VWAP. It's just cutting through everything. Just cutting through everything. No signs of rejection yet. Still just strong, strong green candles. I'm gonna have to chase this. Come on, man. Don't make my life so hard. Oh, wick all the way back up. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and then make a decision. It's gonna be hard to find an entry on this. Okay, well, I just took a small loss there. Happened instantaneously. Things just ripping higher. All right, shorts are done. No more shorting. No more shorting. Today may be one of those days. Maybe one of those days where the market just won't give a zone, won't let a zone hold. Happens once in a while. I gotta come up with a name for those days because it is a thing. You know, it's almost like the market just breaks and says, "Screw everything. I'm not gonna hold anything. I'm just gonna blast through everything. No small reactions, nothing. Just blast through everything." More importantly, I need to know how to identify that when it is that day before it happens. That would be useful. But, you know, could still get another trade, another winning trade potentially. All it takes is one winner, as usual. Just straight down and straight back up. Right back to VWAP. Came down to a 30-second order block. Looks like buyers are still buying. We're at VWAP, so nothing really to do here for me. All I can do is hope I get another order zone. We light up the sky. Oh my god. The kombucha mushroom people. Sorry, guys, not much to do, yeah. It's the VWAP chop. Indicator is showing a zone a little bit lower. Maybe I'll take that into consideration. Well, it's going to break one direction. Look at that chop, man. Get rid of this zone. Dang. Right back below VWAP. Okay. Let's see if we can get along. Maybe. Has to break this low, though. It's kind of a weird looking order zone. Okay, it swept that low. It's looking okay for right now. Okay. Instantly vaporized me right there. I was trying to risk off this wick low. Oh man, I took that in the wrong account. I mean, actually, that's kind of a good thing, but dang man, I am on a cold streak right now. Barely put a dent into my profits for this month, but God, today is cold. No zone is holding. Everything's just kind of getting chopped through. Okay, what is that? It's already broken the low. It's not valid anymore. Would be nice to get a winner. Win an order zone. So far today, my winners are just the momentum trading, which is not even my strategy. I mean, look at this price action, just straight down, straight up, straight down. Hey, the indicator agrees that there's a zone here. That's good. Oh my God. What is this? No. My precious zone. Come back. Back to VWAP. Right back up. Not any good setups. Yep. Really, there's a couple zones, but they just failed. Happens. Sometimes the zones hold, sometimes the zones fail. The key is just managing risk in between. Sometimes you just get weird price action. Oh man. If I knew this was a freaking whole number, if this was 500, I probably would have readjusted my level to be that. Because that is technically an order block as well. God dang it. You know what I'm going to do right now, right this second? I'm going to add grids to my chart so that I can see where the frick those levels are. Just like that. Horizontal. We'll see if that makes any difference. Those are a little bit too thick for me, though. There. Excuse me. God, this thing just can't stop running. Can't stop running. If this rejects that midline, I might have to short it. The risk to reward would be insane. Nope. No confirmation there. God, this is so boring. No interesting zones. It just keeps going higher. This market. Berkshire Hathaway. That could be the anti-AI stock trade. Market's still going up. I'm getting really bored here. Considering throwing in the towel and taking a red day. My bias is long right now, but I can't get a pullback. I mean, this market's literally just moving in straight lines. Boring, boring, boring. What an interesting looking chart. Straight down, straight up. I'd like to get some sort of pullback so I can get long, maybe, and ride it back up to the highs. Holy crap, I'm going to fall asleep. This is so boring. The market has just been so slow and grindy all day. Somehow it's grindy yet straight up and down at the same time. It's not really chopping, but it's still grinding. And it's also just moving straight up and down. Bitcoin down, gold down, oil up, silver down. I can't believe there's 93 of you still watching. I'm not going to lie. That's impressive for how boring this market is. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for believing in me. I'll do my best. Tell some jokes. This market's a joke right now. Catnip with the 80 points. Nice. Thank you, 007. When the market's this slow, I need you guys to talk in the chat so we get some stimulation, some some sort of freaking action. Look at this little order zone that just completed here. It's the babiest, little tiniest order zone. Not tradable. See if we can get a move lower. Please? Please? Trading is boring. It's just nice to hang around together. Yes, that is true. It is freaking boring. Sometimes. I mean, there are some days where it's just crazy back-to-back moves, but today is not one of those days. Dang, man, this market is just brutal. falling asleep. Right back up. Catnip, send me a message on Discord and it'll remind me. Or just in the general chat as well of the group. Otherwise, I'm going to forget. My God, this market is so bad. We're dead. We've just died. My God, we're moving. Is that all we're going to get, man? just retested this small order zone. And still holding. Oh my God, right back up. Get out of here. Get out of town. Well, right back up. All right, it's just one of those days, guys. Oh, it's actually moving pretty quickly on my other chart. Is there some life coming into this? No, still going higher. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it there. I mean, there's just nothing I can do. No trades for me. Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Peace.